Do you know what's your favourite song in the world?
My favourite song in the world could be Cowboys and Angels by George Michael. That's one.
Any I Know?
I like Lenny Kravitz.
Any I Know?
Stairway to Heaven, Led Zeppelin.
How do you say that? How do you sing it?
There's a lady who's sure all that glitters is gold, and she's finding a stairway to heaven.
Yeah, it's not my favourite singer.
All right, I'll play it for you. Who's your favourite singer? Drake.
No, I love a bit of Riri. You know,
Who?
a bit of Rihanna.
Rihanna.
Stand under my umbrella.
Ella.
But I do like. Oh, I love a bit of Whitney. I just love a bit of Whitney. I just fucking love Whitney.
Oh.
And you know, just a bit of. Anyway, you ready?
All set.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Hello everybody, hope you are doing well on this very sad and momentous Bank Holiday Monday as we have the funeral of Her Majesty the Queen.
Yes.
Did you watch everything today, Kaylie?
I did, yes. You know, it's just so sad, isn't it?
And glued to the screen. But you've picked out a watch that would be fit for a queen or a king.
Yes, I have actually.
Yes.
And I mean, let us know your thoughts in the comments, guys, whether
Absolutely.
you agree whether it's fit for a king or a queen.
Non-Rolex today.
Yes, I thought, do you know what? She doesn't wear Rolex.
No, well,
she didn't wear Rolex.
She didn't.
William, none of them seem to actually wear them. So I thought, well, what's the point in unboxing a Rolex if the royal family don't wear one?
Like you're thinking.
Right?
What are we doing?
So I've got this. Would you like me to show you?
You've got this, which is?
A Vacheron Constantin.
A Vacheron Constantin. Go, let's go, let's go.
So this is...
Ooh, rose gold.
The Vacheron Constantin Overseas Dual Time Rose Gold with this lovely brown rubber strap, I would say.
That is absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a look at the dial.
Like a silver dial.
Stunning.
It's stunning.
Very, very nice. That's going to look very nice on this king's hand. Let's have a little look.
It's going to look very nice on this king's hand.
That is a really, really gorgeous.
Honestly,
yeah. I mean, the detail on the bezel as well, the way it's kind of carved out, I think is it's very, very impressive, isn't it?
It really is. Do you know what? I love Vacherons. I think, like you just said, the detail, everything that goes into it, I love it.
This must have been for a queen, not a king, because this is going nowhere over my wrist. But having said that, we can just slightly adjust it, can't we?
Yeah,
we can.
So it's a pin buckle, really, but a folding clasp as well.
But beautiful.
It's 41 millimetres. But it doesn't look it, does it?
No, it doesn't look it at all.
I think it is with the bezel, because the bezel's so different.
Yeah.
And obviously, I think the rose gold with the brown rubber strap, I think the contrast is amazing.
Yeah. And lovely with the glass case back as well.
Yeah.
Really,
and also,
really
I was going to say, I really like the clasp. You know,
the
it's their symbol,
smart.
and I just love it's very elegant.
It's very she.
It's very queenie.
Yeah. Very royal.
Yes.
Very royal. I mean, this is a watch fit for a king,
isn't it? Do you know what I mean?
So AM PM.
AM PM.
Yeah. On the dial. Beautiful. And actually, the detail on the dial is gorgeous because actually, when you look very closely, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye.
Yes. Yeah.
There really is, isn't there?
And I think that's really great with Vacherons. They always have something different. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not just plain simple. Even though it looks a little bit plain and simple,
well, it's not.
It isn't at all. So,
Kaylie, how many arms and legs do I need to chop off to buy this?
So this is brand new, 2022.
2022.
Brand spanking new.
Yeah.
This is 45,000.
45,000. Okay.
Yeah. Which, obviously I know it's a lot of money, but for this, I think it's
value.
It's a really great piece to buy. Yeah.
And it's brand new.
Exactly, brand new.
Absolute stunner. So, on today's special day, a watch fit for King Charles III.
Yep.
If he knows where to find us, after today, of course, then King Charlie, it's waiting for you. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.